Bored. I wonder if Knife ever gets bored. Cutting board! So bored!
Hello man, what are you up to today? Been eating a butter bread?
I know I've been eating a butter bread, and it dies. Made an apple in the world of mom. I told you it was. Oh no, Luigi, what the matter? Do you die hiccups all day?
Oh man, that's how women got to up hiccups. How we gonna do one of them?
Oh, I got an idea how we did it without hiccups. Bobo! Oh, come on. It's not a joke. It's day, but... Oh, I thought... Where are my hiccups?
Oh, I know. Maybe we're about to teach you.
Yeah, that's how we do about the hiccup at the end. Oh yeah, that's how I'm letting... Oh, duh. That would be wonderful. Oh man, what about what about my hiccups? Please.
Okay.
Hey, you, what about hey, what about my hiccups?
You're welcome.
Oh, actually, but one more thing.
What?
Will you marry me?
Yes! I will marry you! Yay!
I have now got you, Luigi and Vezza. You may now kids.
What but the tower weapons?
Oh, Luigi, come here, you!